Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming thread size and pitch. This matters because the tap must match. Once done, clamp the work securely so it won't twist or shift and clear metal chips from the hole. Now pick the tap type, taper for easy start, plug for general repair, bottoming for tight bottoms, and apply cutting oil to reduce heat and break chips. Start the tap straight and turn slowly to engage threads. Listen and feel for smooth cutting. You continue by taking controlled cuts. Rotate the tap forward 1/4 to 1/2 turn, then back 1/4 to break and clear the chips. This prevents clogging and reduces torque. Once every few passes, back the tap fully out, wipe away chips, and reapply cutting fluid so the tool stays cool and sharp. If you feel resistance or wobble, stop and realign. Use a T-handle or guide for steadiness. This method preserves the tap and produces clean, accurate threads. You finish by backing the tap completely out, cleaning the newly cut threads with a brush, and testing fit with the correct bolt. This confirms fit and catch. If threads feel tight or misaligned, use a thread chaser rather than recutting. That restores shape without removing metal. If the tap binds, reverse it gently to clear accumulated chips, then inspect the tap for wear. Replace it if teeth are damaged. One key tip: never force a seized tap. Reverse and clear before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.